Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Gather the tools: a small flat screwdriver, a CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth. Lay the key fob face down on the cloth on a stable table to prevent scratches. Work in a dry, well-lit area and avoid any static sources or liquids. Open battery packaging only when ready to install. Do not touch the new battery contacts with bare hands. Hold it with a cloth or plastic tweezers to avoid oils and corrosion. Keep the old battery separate for safe disposal. Locate the seam near the emergency key blade slot. Use the small flat screwdriver to insert gently into the seam and twist slowly. A soft snap should release the plastic clips. First, slide out the emergency key and set it aside in plain view. Separate the two halves carefully to expose the battery compartment and circuit board. Observe the battery orientation. The visible side usually shows 3V and CR2032. Use plastic tweezers or the cloth to lift out the old CR2032 without touching the circuit. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the identical orientation, ensuring the positive side faces up as observed earlier. Press it gently into its housing until it seats firmly. Inspect the circuit board for any misalignment, then align the two plastic halves and press them together until every clip snaps closed. Slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test all functions: lock, unlock, and trunk release. Confirm LED or vehicle response. Recycle the old battery at a battery drop or hazardous waste point, not in household.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.